Everybody, welcome to this channel again. So are you struggling to put your NGL link on your Facebook story? So don't worry, here I am to solve the problem. So let's get started. So first of all, go to your Play Store and search NGL app anonymous link. So here is the app, install it. Now open the NGL application. Click get started. Now what's your Instagram handle? So if you know your Instagram handle, you can just type it here, but if you don't know, let me show you how to find it. Go to your Instagram account, go to your profile, click on the edit profile. On the second option you can see your username, click on it, just copy it. After that, go to the NGL app again and paste it here. Click done. Now you can see your unique link has been created. So this is your unique link. Now on the second option you can see a button named share. Before that, copy the link. Okay, the link has been copied. Now click the share button. Click next steps, just skip these steps. Now click on the button share on Instagram. Okay, now here's the interface of Instagram story. Now click on this button, scroll a little bit and you can see a button named link. Click on the link button. Now paste your link that you have already copied from NGL application. Click done. Now adjust this link to this icon. Okay. Now click on this button, click on your story and share. Now you can share your story to your Facebook. You can see an option named your Facebook story. You can just share it from here. Now I'm going to share you another good option to share your NGL link to Facebook story. Click done. So your story has been shared on the Instagram. Let's check. Click on your story button. Now here you can see I have shared the link successfully on my Instagram story. But what about Facebook story? Now click on your story. At the bottom you can see an icon of Facebook. Click on that. You can see there are three options: share to Facebook every time, share once, not now. So if you want to share your Instagram story every time on Facebook, you can click the share on Facebook every time. But if you want to share your story for this time only, you can click share once. So I'm going to click share once. So I think the story has been uploaded to my Facebook story too. So let's check if it's real or not. So I'm going to my Facebook application. I'm going to my profile. Okay, now let's check if it's real or not. View story. Now here we can see the story has been uploaded very successfully. Now let's check if the link works or not. Click on the link, visit link. So you can see you have successfully added a valid link on your Facebook story. So isn't that so much easy? So if this video helped you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to have unique tutorials like this. See you in the next video.